we are group 2 and we are going to show you on how to assemble and disassemble a system unit.
Step 1. Before beginning the disassembly process, ensure that the computer system is turned off. Unplug any cables that are connected to your computer. Step 2. Remove the tower case by unscrewing the screws on the back of the case, sliding them over and lifting it. Step 3. Now that the case is off, it's time to remove all the internal components, starting with the cables. Step 4. After you have removed all of the cables, unscrew the 4 screws that hold the power supply in place and lift it out. Step 5. As you can see, we only have one drive, which is the hard drive, and screw the 4 screws that holds it in place. Just be careful not to drop the hard drive as it is very fragile. If you have an optical drive, know that it is secured in the same way that a hard drive is. Unscrew the 4 screws that holds it in place and pull it out from the outside. Step 6. Unscrew the screws that are holding the motherboard in place and carefully lift it up. Step 7. To remove the ram, simply push down the two sides or tabs that holds the ram in place. All done! Now let's move on to assembly.
Step 1. Put back the RAM from the motherboard's memory slot. Step 2. Lift the motherboard, put it back on the inside and lightly screw it in place. Step 3. Carefully lift the hard drive and screw it in place. Make certain that there's no vibration once the screw is tightened. The same goes for the other drives. Step 4. Screw the power supply into place at the top back end of the cabinet. Step 5. Now, correctly connect all the off cables connector to their respective sockets. Step 6. Cover the tower by pressing it against the front side and screwing it in place.